Good morning. I'm B.Tierney, and this is a storyteller.
Good morning. How you doing? Hey, today we're going to learn how to make
Brudie Grits. I'm drinking some shell tea, which we made the last time.
It's good stuff.
And then we're going to go ahead and make some Brudie Grits. They're in the back of the Legend of Zierns, the Chise Wars, in the back of the book. This is the book, Legend of Zierns, the Chise Wars.
Yeah, and the recipe's in the back.
The recipe's in the back of this book, so you can follow along. Anyway, put that back over here. Now today we went ahead and we prepped everything.
Hot. Gotta watch it.
I'm going to lower the heat. What we did first is, just to save time,
Save time. Low, reduced sodium chicken broth.
instead of using water, we use low sodium chicken broth. You can get this anywhere. Walmart, that's where I like to go. You'll be needing some quick 5-minute grits. You can get any type of grits, will be good, as long as you make it right. Fiesta blend cheese. Oh,
Cheesy.
no, stop. Then, zest of a lime.
What? Matches my eyes.
Yeah, it does. 1 egg, because we're going to fry an egg.
Friday!
No, don't do that.
Make a mess. Holy cow.
And we have our butter over here. I went ahead and cut the butter. Now we're going to use 1 tablespoon of butter. This is how you measure it out. See, it says 1 TBSP, and it all has a line. You cut it right there, and that's what we're going to put into the frying pan.
Oh.
That's going to help fry the egg. Then 2 tablespoons of butter for the grits. Now, that wasn't in the recipe, but it helps it kind of meld in better, okay? So, use butter. I use the unsalted sweet cream butter.
Very good. Yes, unsalted. It's a lot of salt in cheese, you know.
Now, I'm going to go ahead and start making it, so I'm going to need you to go sit down over there so you're safe and you don't get burned.
Why, thank you for caring. All right, just put me down over here. Bye. I'll be back.
Okay, what we do is, right now the chicken broth is bubbling. We're going to take 3/4 of a cup. Now I know this is a liquid cup, but I like this one better because you can actually see the measurements. Okay, so I got 3/4 of a cup. We're going to place that in here and set the timer for 5 minutes. Okay? Now we're going to stir it a little bit so it doesn't get stuck on the bottom. Okay? We're going to drop the heat down so that it absorbs it and it doesn't burn. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to have to lower that heat just a little bit more. We're on a low now, just so it doesn't get too hot. Okay. We're going to learn how to zest a lime. This little cheese grater I use works pretty good. And I'm going to go ahead and we're going to zest 1 lime. Basically, you're taking the skin of the lime. Ooh, you can smell that lime already.
Ah, it's all over here.
Cool. Yeah, see that?
Oh, wow.
A lot of work. Maybe I should have done this earlier, but I figured I'd have to waste time anyway because we got 5 minutes. So, here we go. Lemon. Zest it away. What?
Can I eat that?
Well, we can use it for juice later on. Maybe we can use the lime in our shell tea later. Okay?
Good idea. Don't want to waste.
No, you don't want to waste. Okay. So we have the lemon. Let's go ahead and stir this. Still bubbling a little bit. Got 3 more minutes here. I made a mess. Making mess is part of cooking. You know, on TV, people never make messes, yeah, because they do it a few times. So now we have the grits. The grits is slowly cooking. Put this out of our way.
You want to keep a clean area, don't you?
Yeah, you do want to keep a clean area. We'll want to go ahead and take the butter that we're going to be utilizing to cook the egg, and we could put that in here right now. Okay. And just wait. Got the zest already. We have the cheese we have to measure. The cheese, we're going to be using, let's see, 1 cup of the Fiesta blend cheese. So, let's go ahead and we'll get a cup out. Real type of cup, because I am going to make a mess. So you just take that cheese, put it in a cup, measure it. It's roughly half a bag. Okay, there we go. Just tie it back so you can use it later. Okay, as you can see, right now the grits, we're going to shut it off because the grits are 2 minutes out, and we're just going to let them sit in there, kind of brood a little bit. And you can kind of see right now they're kind of done, but they're still a little bit hard. So we'll want to have it sit in there for just a little bit longer. While that's happening, we can go ahead and, well, we'll just wait a little bit for that. We have our egg, we have our zest, we had our chicken broth. Remember, you can use water also, but chicken broth is better.
Yeah.
And I always use the reduced sodium, otherwise it's very, very salty. Okay? Now, I'm going to go ahead and preheat this for the egg. Remember, always have an adult do this, please. Oh! There goes our timer. And our grits are done. 5 minutes. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this, we're going to take the cheese, we're going to place it in here, like so. Should we get it all?
Oh, cheesy! I like the cheese.
Yeah. And we're going to mix it around. The cheese is melting really, really nice. Now to help the cheese better, we're going to put the butter in right now, so it helps make the cheese go in a lot better. Oh, look at that. Whoa, look at that. Whoa, cheesy.
Why don't we eat it?
We'll be eating it soon enough. And you want to keep mixing it up. Meanwhile, we have our butter in the pan here, heating up. Very good. I'm going to raise that just a little bit. Now, once the butter melts totally in your grits and you can see that it's a creamy, ooh, look at that. Wow. See how creamy that is? That's what you want it to look like. That's when you add the zest. Take the whole zest. Place it in there like so. Move it around. Oh, wow, you can smell that. Mm-hmm. There we go. I think the next time we're going to make polenta, the garlic polenta, that a lot of the elves use the polenta, and also the some of the fairies love polenta. It's cornmeal, similar to grits. See? Ooh, wow, this is really good. Let's put a top on this. Keep it warm while we're waiting. I'm going to taste it. Oh. Very good. Some people like to put sugar also in their grits. I don't. But you can put sugar in if you want. So now we got this going. Let's crack an egg. We're going to fry an egg right now. We have our one egg, our fry pan. We're going to crack it, put it right in there like so. Raise this heat just a little. Put the top on. Wash my hands. So what do you think so far, storyteller?
Oh, it smells so good. I can't wait to see it.
Well, just a few more minutes and it should be done.
I love it.
Okay.
The egg is cooking. Yeah. Oh.
Smell that.
Oh. Delicioso. Very good, yeah.
Smell it?
Yeah. Well, lime really helps. Okay? So, remember, the Legend of Zierns, the Chise Wars, and in the back. That's where it is.
Okay. Now, if you like our video, what you can do is go ahead and like us, subscribe. If you do subscribe, hit that little bell button so whenever we put a new one down, we can go ahead and let you know.
That's right. And definitely like.
Yeah, try to put comments in if you like it. You know, if you find that maybe you like sugar in it, whatever, it's good. Other people may try it. Okay? Thank you. I'm going to dish this out.
Great. I'm going to go sit down and get ready to eat it. So good. Oh, yeah. I'm going to sit over here.
Okay, let me go ahead and plate this up for you, my man. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Spatula. Make sure everything is off. Everything's off. Do you like it over easy?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to try to flip this over easy. They call it over easy. And I broke the yolk. Sorry, buddy. And we're going to take some of this. And we're going to put it into a dish. This should make 4 for you. Yeah, I should use a bigger spoon. So, take a little bit, put it in there like so. Wipe this. And now we put the egg in there, on top. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Brudie grits. The egg, the grits. If you want to put a little salt and pepper on it, you can always put a little salt and pepper on it. Everything is off. Go ahead and cover this, keep it warm so we can put it away. next thing to eat is to try it, see how it is. Oh, I like a little more pepper on mine, but like I say, this is the basic. You can add pepper, you can add salt, or you can add sugar. Okay? So, have the Sheltie. Let me get the storyteller so he can say goodbye. Come on, dude.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. You're making such a mess over here.
I'm tasting it. Leave me alone.
Okay, taste it.
Oh, that was good. I loved it. You ate out of mine.
I know I ate out of yours. Sorry. Now remember, guys, like the video.
Subscribe. Okay?
Thank you very much and have a great day.
Bye.